and Hobbies. I'm going to show you how to take a video from your computer. This is in a folder right now, and send it by text, okay? So you're going to go down here to Messages, open up Messages, and all you're going to do is left click, hold down left click mouse button, or use your finger if you have an iPad. Pull it over, and see the plus sign? Drop it in. There it is. And on the keyboard, just hit enter, and it was just sent, okay, to my friend. It's sending up here, see it? And it's all done. And that's how you do that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.